Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, alright kaibigan kung saan ka mang sulok sa mundo kaibigan. I hope you well, alright kaibigan. Simulan natin yung episode natin ngayong araw na ito kaibigan. Ang topic natin ngayon is gratitude, alright? So, welcome to the Parking University. Andito na naman tayo sa Parking University at mag broadcast tayo ng positivity mga kaibigan. Alright, okay, gaano na to ka-importante itong gratitude kaibigan. Ito yung sabi sa sinulat na libro ni Watol Wallace, Science of Getting Rich, at itong rin yung ni Joe Dispenza. Bakit nga daw itong gratitude natin i-practice araw-araw kaibigan? Kasi once the law of the universe daw kaibigan is once ang tao feeling grateful, okay? Feeling walang kahit man ng ano daw yung status niya sa buhay kaibigan, kahit walang-wala siya kaibigan, but when that person feels that he or she is grateful kaibigan, mayroon siyang gratitude. That means in-enable niya daw kaibigan yung frequency of being an abundant person. Okay? Wow. Okay? Balikan natin. Okay? So once ikaw feeling gratitude, kahit walang-wala ka, kahit walang laman yung pitaka mo, bangko mo, but you just feel gratitude when you wake up in the morning, sinimulan mo yung araw mo na grateful ka kasi buhay ka, may hangin, mayroon kang utility which is yourself, the best asset daw kaibigan. Grateful ka sa mga bagay na andyan sa iyo ngayon, at saka inaccept mo yung mga bagay na wala pa sa iyo, at saka positive ka na pwede mong makamit yung mga bagay na gusto mo in the future. That means you are open daw sa universe kaibigan, at saka yung frequency mo nagtra-transmit ka that you are just an abundant person, and you are ready to receive kaibigan more abundance. Wow. So ito talaga yung ni Wallace, Watol Wallace sa The Science of Getting Rich kaibigan. Ito din yung ni Rhonda Ryan sa Rhonda sa nagsulat sa libro na may libro doon na The Secret, na ito daw yung simula, ang gratitude ay simula sa pag-ano sa mga if you want to become an abundant person, if you want, or anything that you want to become, if you want to become a lovely person, active person, or anyone that you want to become. So we'll just have an example of, if you want to become an abundance person, you need to feel inside bago mo daw ma-receive outside kaibigan. So when you feel inside kaibigan, the only thing that you can do, kahit walang-wala ka, kahit sabihin pa na delusional yun na kahit walang-wala ka, bakit grateful ka, but you just enable your frequency of abundance kaibigan. You just enable that you are willing to receive more kaibigan. Kaya napakagandang practice daw ito kaibigan, na paggising natin sa umaga, sabi ni Joe Dispenza, hindi pa nag-aapak yung mga paa niya sa floor, ito yung pinakaunang niya is nag grateful siya kagad, nagpa-practice siya ng gratitude. So anyway, napakagandang lesson to or learning na natutunan natin kaibigan, na for example, gusto tayong magiging abundant person, we just start with ourselves kaibigan. We just start of being gratitude. Kasi if we say thank you, if we say we are very grateful for what we have now, that means you are in that frequency and you are ready to receive more. Wow. So The Secret, kung basahin mo yung librong The Secret kaibigan, yun din yung pinaka main, paano daw first step, or paano ma-enable or paano magsimula na magiging abundant person ka, is have a gratitude. Be grateful. Okay? So feel inside, mag-feel mo muna inside na ikaw ay grateful, ikaw ay gratitude. That means when you are thankful, grateful, you are an abundant person already. Okay, so when you are an abundant person, what will happen kaibigan is you will align to that abundant frequency, and you will meet people that is abundant mindset as well kaibigan. You will meet opportunities or mayroong mga events or circumstances, kaibigan, daw na ang universe will just align for you within your range of frequency kasi nasa abundant frequency ka, kaibigan. Wow, napaka-simple to, kaibigan. Di natin ito natutunan sa elementary, high school, college. Itong alam natin, tinuruan tayong mag-say thank you, gratitude, but deep inside, kaibigan, ito pala yung law of the universe or principle, kaibigan, na paano tayo magiging act as abundant person. We just feel inside grateful, kaibigan, and there will be more blessings to come. Pwede tayong mag-tap daw tayo, tap tayo sa unlimited flow ng abundant, kaibigan. Ito yung mga tao daw na bakit may mga tao na lahat ng hinahawakan nila or anything na gusto nilang business na iano nila, turn to gold, kaibigan, kasi if you check that person, if you dig that person, they are a very grateful person. They practice this gratitude, kaibigan. So kung titingnan mo yung lahat ng mga successful na tao, idig mo, they are a very grateful person. Then they just connect to that frequency na they are an abundant frequency. That's why they will keep receiving and receiving more. Wow! So that's ito yung the secret din na libro rin, kaibigan, na it's been proven, okay? It's a law of gravity to, kaibigan, kung ano pa. So it's a law of universe to daw, kaibigan, na kahit ano mong gawin, basta you start to be grateful, slowly and everyday mo tong gawin, araw-araw mo tong practice, slowly your reality will change daw, kaibigan. Hindi mo mamamalayan na iba't may mga opportunity na dumating sa iyo, may mga tao na makausap mo na within that same frequency, and you slowly change your reality. Wow, hopefully hindi ko nasayang yung oras mo, kaibigan. This topic for tonight is gratitude. Alright, close your eyes, open your arms, and let your legs, and this all be yours. Peace, love, good health, abundance, all the riches in the world. So, boom, siya kala nagkalakala. See you next time, babu.